Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to share these awesome packing cubes with you. These are the kingdalux travel packing cubes. This is the set of 6, and I chose the color pink. To me, packing cubes are a travel essential. I absolutely love that they just keep me completely organized. I'm able to compartmentalize every different piece of clothing. I can fold it nice and neatly, have it in there very secure, and really they just help you to maximize your luggage space, whether you're traveling, driving, flying, whatever the case is. It's just going to help you overall stay organized, be organized, and just have more space. These travel packing cubes are lightweight. They're super easy to throw in your bag. I love that it does come with not only the ones for just clothing, but also has a laundry bag, a compression storage shoe bag, and then one for your essentials. So really, I can't say enough good things about these packing cubes. I love anything that will help me be even more organized, especially when I'm traveling. I love that it's just the right amount of pieces. All 6 pieces I have found a good use for, and they all fit in this nifty little bag. And then I also have this little bag to carry anything extra that I want, not floating around in my suitcase. I just love these packing cubes, and if you love being organized on the go like I do, you definitely need them, and that's my point of view.